Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the third episode of Twige Talk-show. Have you ever heard about YALI, Younger African Leadership Initiative? Or do you have any idea of what is it all about? Well, today I'm taking you through my own YALI learning experience. From 12th of October 2024 up to 13 September 2024, I had the privilege of participating in the blended cohort 57 of the Young African Leadership Initiative Regional Center, East Africa, located in Nairobi. From the first 2 weeks of the online component to the second 2 weeks of residential part, I went through a very enriching learning experience that I'm excited to share with you, especially you who are interested to participate or to apply in YALI. I encourage you to watch the full video, which was recorded from Melchior International Airport in Burundi, the economic capital city of Burundi, up to our return from Nairobi. So ladies and gentlemen, Reka Twige. Let's learn. Okay, what is the experience? What seems like the experience you've got? You are getting here.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I've checked in right now. Of course, we are waiting to board, but it's an amazing experience. And I have met finally a Burundian family. I'm really
Hania, who is shooting the video.
Oh, this is Rania.
Jancine, who is like.
Jancine. You know, she's the one who called me this morning. Oh, Marcus, where are you? Where are you? We are late. And I said, oh my God, this is good. Yeah. And my brother, who hold the same name like myself. I'm Olivier Marcus, and he's Olivier Ndiyu Irakoze. I'm Luabagabo. Olivier Marcus is Irakoze.
What about Chihoho?
Chihoho, that's also my name, so I hold 4 names.
You have 4 names?
Yeah. Chihoho, Luabagabo, Olivier Marcus.
Okay.
Luabagabo. Like in Kirundi. Yeah.
Luabagabo.
Luabagabo.
Yeah,
like Umugabo. Like Umugabo, just Umugabo.
It's the meaning of Umugabo.
Yeah, but you know, I'm coming from a tribe called Bashi. Mashi is the language.
Okay.
So a man in our tribe is like Omugabo, Omulume. So when you speak about Luabagabo, it's like something which is with a man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
thank you. That is another thing that we are learning.
Yeah, sure.
Luabagabo, actually. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Eluagabago.
I'm Emugabo. That's what I do. This is Luabagabo. Yeah. You know, for example, when you are constructing a house, and they say, this house is beautiful. So, and just a little man cannot afford this. This is Luabagabo. You need to be a man to afford something huge, big like this one. That's the meaning of Luabagabo. So if you don't work hard as a man, you cannot afford it. But
what is what is the word which means like the same in Kirundi?
Please tell me.
Someone who did something which is really tough.
Yeah.
How do we say
it? Strong and beautiful, and
it's like, hey guys, you don't know Kirundi.
In Kiswahili, it's like something ya kianaume.
Ya kianaume.
Umefanya kitu ya kianaume.
In Kirundi, I think it's
Gwabagabo. You see, like being selected. Many applications for the YALI program, but we have been selected. So that is something very powerful and strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to be
Thank you very much.
Let me give you the mic so that we understood.
Oh, okay. All my bags.
Okay, thank you very much. For me, I think I think Rabagabo in Kirundi, as you said, you give us the example. We are selected among of more people that
Yeah.
will also intelligent.
Yeah.
So turi intwari. Ni Kirundi intwari.
Intwari.
Yeah, intwari.
Intwari.
Oh, intwari. If someone
Intwari.
doing something amazing.
Something amazing
Yes,
that
he
not
is
everyone
standing-
can do it.
Yes.
Intwari.
Intwari.
Ah, you will write
Is
it
it-
to me.
Eh?
You will write it to me.
Yes,
Intwari.
intwari.
Yeah.
And you also you spell it. E I N T W
A.
A. Yes.
Intwari.
R and I. Yes.
Intwari.
Okay.
Intwari. You say Intwari.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, in my language, we call it Intwali. Intwali. That's
Intwali.
exactly the same thing. Vaillant. Tu vois?
Yes.
Vaillant, héros, quelque chose comme ça.
Tu vois.
Ah, that's it. So,
Yes.
Lwabagabo means Intwali. Ah,
In
great.
Kirundi.
You know, it's very amazing. All of you guys, you fail to find that.
Yes. You will give me my token.
I owe you a hug. I owe you a hug before we depart, right?
Oh,
Everybody, I will hug you.
thank you, my God.
Thank you so much.
Can I say hello or good morning in Bashi?
Emyanzi.
Emyanzi.
Emyanzi. Then you say Minja.
Emyanzi.
Emyanzi, and you say Minja.
Minja.
Mean fine.
Okay. How have you been?
Guru Yosire. Guri Oyosire.
You said hello is what?
Emyanzi.
Emyanzi Gulu Olowosile.
Guri
Okay, we are
Oyosile.
going.
Guru Oyosire. And you know, sometimes the greetings can vary when it's morning,
Yes,
evening, yeah.
or afternoon.
When you say Kozusire, that's the morning. Good morning.
Kuzusile.
Kozusire. Kozusire. Yeah, the verb is Kozuka. That's to
Kuzuka.
Zuka. Yeah. What does it mean something in
Kuzuka in Burundi, in Kirundi,
Yeah.
is a restitution.
resurrection? Kuzuka. For us, that's to wake up. To wake up early morning.
To wake up.
Yeah, to wake up. That's Kuzuka. That was Zusire, that the past tense, it's like umeamka.
Kuzusire.
Yeah. Tu es réveillé.
Okay.
Yeah. Have
You
you
said
woke up?
the morning is
Morning.
Emyanzi.
Emyanzi, that like the general one.
In general.
But depending on the time, Kawazusire. Kawazusire, that the morning. In the morning.
How have you been?
How have you been? Guru Yosire.
Guru Wasile.
Guri Oyosire.
I have a program.
No, but I'm telling you, we share many words in Kirundi and Mashi. Kirundi, Kinyarwanda, Fuliru, we share. Kiganda, a little bit, but
You will teach me that language.
and you'll also teach me Kirundi.
Kirundi is not too hard like that one.
Because for us, for the integration agenda, I need to have a Burundian girlfriend.
Burundian girlfriend. This is interesting.
No. Boys, that will be friends, man.